Hello, curious cuties! Welcome to Pappy's Lab. I'm your science buddy, Miss Pappy. Today's topic is Ippu and Bobo chase the rainbow.
Hi kids! Meet Ippu, a curious little girl with big questions, and her best friend Bobo, the silliest, smartest robot around. Together, they're ready for magical science adventures.
One day, Ippu and Bobo were playing in garden after rain. And suddenly, Ippu said,
Look there! The sun has come out again. Oh my god! Look! A golden sunbeam! Now this light will meet a raindrop. After the light enters the water drop, the light bends inside the drop. This is called refraction. This is how the rainbow starts. Oh, you can see the light is splitting now. Red, yellow, blue, all colors appear. This is called dispersion. The colors bounce inside the drop. Now, after bouncing, the lights are coming back out. This is called internal reflection. When all colors merge together to form a sequence, this form is called rainbow. Red on top, violet at the bottom. The sequence is always same as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This forms a semicircle also called the rainbow arc. But you know, rainbow is actually a full circle. Everyone sees their own rainbow because the viewing angle is different. Your rainbow is just for you! Exclusive, custom made for you! A rainbow is beautiful and scientific. When you see one, just smile. Now you know. Light plus raindrops equals rainbow magic. Until next time. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep the sparkle in your brain shining bright. Bye. Subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon to get the notification.